class, how are you today? My name is Gisela and this is the channel Inglés para tu vida. How are you? Are you fine? Today is Sunday and I would like to talk to you about my activities. On Sundays, I usually get up at about 8 or 9 o'clock. Then I take my dog for a walk because he loves walking. And after that, I start my routine. I go to the supermarket and I buy some fruit. I like papaya and pineapple. And with that, I prepare a delicious juice. After that, I go to the store and I buy some bread and some avocado. That's my favorite food to prepare a sandwich. I usually prepare that with lemon juice and I eat my breakfast. When I finish, I wash the plates and after that, I start cleaning the house. I usually do that on Sundays. Then I go to the park that I am now, and I love coming here. The reason is very simple. In this park, I can see many people walking and spending beautiful time with their own families. Especially, they also take their pets with them. The majority of the pets that are here with their owners are dogs. And there is a special area in which dogs can relax, walk, and practice some exercises, like catching balls or jumping and even walking. That's very interesting. After that, I go again to the supermarket, but this time I go to buy some products to prepare my lunch. My favorite lunch on Sundays is stew. It consists of chicken, some potatoes, tomatoes, some onions, and it's delicious. When I finish cooking, I usually take a nap. I have to be honest. I like sleeping very much, so I have to set up the alarm clock and just register 1 hour to sleep. Otherwise, I can keep on sleeping for 2 or 3 hours. When I wake up, I usually prepare a video for you or I read a book. Then I start ironing my clothes and doing some things like that. When I finish, I watch television. It's usually 8 o'clock. And when I do that, I check the news that we have in our country. All the news usually come on the same time at 8 o'clock, from 8 o'clock until 10 p.m. And at 10 p.m., I like to drink another juice. Sometimes I have grapefruit. I prepare grapefruit juice. It's delicious. There is a variety of grapefruits in my country and I love very much one in special that has the color pink. A pink grapefruit. And then I go to bed and I sleep. That's my routine on Sundays. I would like to know what you do on Sundays. So, if you want, you can write it down below this video in the part of the comments. And if you don't want to write, you can send me a voice message to my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is +51 946 162 85. Como les estaba diciendo al inicio de este video, el día de hoy es domingo y les estaba dando algunas pautas de la rutina que yo realizo estos días, los domingos. Me gustaría saber cuál es tu rutina el día domingo también. Si tú deseas comentarla, me puedes enviar un mensaje de voz al WhatsApp. Mi número es el +51 946 182 165. Y también, si lo deseas escribir, pues lo puedes dejar debajo de este video en la cajita de información. También quiero invitarte a suscribirte y formar parte del canal Inglés para tu Vida, ya que el canal está creciendo muchísimo en estos últimos días y los suscriptores están aumentando bastante. Los comentarios que recibo son muy positivos y estoy muy agradecida con todos ustedes por sus bellas palabras. Si tú conoces a alguien que necesita aprender inglés, te invito a que me regales una manito arriba y compartas este video con todas las personas que consideres necesitan aprender inglés por viaje, por trabajo, para un ascenso o simplemente para comunicarse en el idioma. En el canal Inglés para tu Vida tenemos más de 1400 videos para ti, desde cero, todos segmentados, algunos numéricamente desde el 0 hasta el 1200 y otros por temas. Por ejemplo, tenemos la parte del speaking, grammar, escrituras, trabalenguas, un sinfín de actividades para que logres tu objetivo de aprender inglés. La invitación ya está dada. Entonces nos vemos en una siguiente clase. Que disfrutes tu día y nos vemos para continuar aprendiendo inglés. Bye.